Friends, hello, everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can send a video from your camera as a snapshot in Snapchat app. Before you start watching this video, dear friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put a like and please write your comments. So let's go ahead and get started. And you will need to, friends, open up the Snapchat app. And then please go right here on the camera down here on the bottom right to this search sign. Then please click on the search bar and type in the word photo. Once you have entered the word photo, click on search. And select this filter here. Next, friends, when you select it, you will need to scroll through the menu that you'll see until you find the video that you want. Now please click on that video. Make sure that your face will not be visible on the screen. And please click stop. If you don't like it, then you can rephotograph a piece of your video. It goes like this. After that, the only thing you have to do is click send. And next you send it to a story, perhaps, or to one of your friends. That's the way you can send videos from your camera as snaps in the Snapchat app. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also friends, write comments. See you soon.